It's going to be a pick-a-pack of 2013-14 Panini Titanium Hockey for Snazzu88. Poor guy's been waiting forever to do some hockey. And we're going to do it. So here we go. Let's get this open for you, babe. And I'll number the packs and you can pick which one you would like. We're all going to be hiding in here. Jeez Louise. No kidding. All right, 1 through 5. Number 2. All right, number 2. Good luck. Come on, McKinnon or something. That's the only person I know that's what everybody wants. Oven chicken, yeah. That would be awesome. All right, base. 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 Ooh, there you go. Nice RPA. I don't know if he's any good, but it's an RPA. 91 out of 100. Mikhail, that guy. How would I say that his last name? Grigorenko? Grigorenko? I don't know. It's a crazy auto. That guy. This dude. Not too bad. Grigorenko? Is it a G? I don't know. Whatever. You can read. This is a nice card. Nice looking, at least. I'll stop touching it and get it in a protector. Nice two patches on that. There you go. Close enough. It's like way off. Thank you for being so patient.